It's great to think about how this is going to change, like legal research. We thought about including some of the law firm, how law firms can use AI, but that's a whole topic for another day. But how can marketers use it? Here's some things to think about. What time of day is the best time of day to be sending a campaign? The AI is going to automate that. Which subject lines are going to get the most opens? It can test that. A/B testing, which content, a lot of people know A/B testing, but it's going to automate that. If you send the same email with two different headlines or two different types of arrangements of the content, which one gets more readership? Which ones will get you leads? How can we best segment our list? Are we finally going to be able to tag people by industry and segment the list so we don't have to keep circulating spreadsheets to the attorneys?
Yeah, and I've used this to help with emails, and it has helped me a lot get out of my rut when it comes to subject lines, and I think that can be really useful.